got frostbite. Let's go. First day of the new year, 2021, and I am downtown Detroit. I brought my longboard and I'm going to do a little skating through here, capture some of the buildings and the scenery. So this should be pretty cool. Good morning. How you doing? Good. This is cool. There's nobody down here. I figured that would be the case. It is the first day of 2021. Everybody else is sleeping. I am the early bird, catching the worm. This is awesome. Coming across over here. All right. All right, shaking this thing. My fingers are frozen. Seriously, my gimbal will not work. I think I'm gonna take this thing out of my gimbal. I can't control this thing at all. It's kind of frustrating. Okay. All right, I'm just finishing up down here in downtown Detroit. I think this is Marcia's Park. Actually, I gotta find the words. I'm downtown Detroit by the ice arena, by the Christmas tree, by the ice arena, and it is the first day of 2021. Just wanted to capture this moment on a vlog. They still have the lights up in the trees. It's really pretty down here right now, and my hands are absolutely freezing. I'm gonna walk around here, get a little bit more footage. I'm using that new app that I talked about. Sorry, my face is frozen. I don't know if my face is red, but it sure feels like it. Anyway, I'm using that new app, Focus Live, and I wanted to test that out down here to check it out and see, again, how well this is working. I'm kind of excited about having this. I promise I'll stop talking about it in a few of these videos. I'm gonna start using it though on my vlogs. Kind of spread out throughout the vlog, that is, anyway. So pretty cool down here. I'm gonna jump over into the other cameras just so the background is clear, so you can see that too. Cool. This is a lot of fun. Try not to shake the phone here. Apparently, you can't skate at this little park, but you can on the sidewalk, or at least that's what I was told. So head over to the sidewalk and head that way. Skate back towards the car and try to warm up.